Hello everyone, we welcome you to this video on Honeywell Air Touch, an award-winning leading global brand of indoor air purifiers. If you're viewing this video, you've either purchased the Honeywell Air Touch or are in the process of making that decision. We hope this video will be helpful in either case. If you have bought it already, we would like to take this opportunity and congratulate you on making a smart choice. Today through this short video, we'll let you know about how to unbox, install and service the Air Touch air purifier. When you start unboxing, watch out for the warranty registration sticker. It should be right up front on the top of the box or on the side. Next step is the quick start guide. Again, inside you'll get to see the product manual. Most of the steps inside the product manual would be covered as a part of this video. So after unboxing, we have all the components here outside. We have 3 filters, each of them numbered. So this is filter number 3, filter number 2 and filter number 1. And this is the main air purifier unit. The Honeywell Air Touch air purifier is a Silver A Design Award winner. It gives a premium look and appeal to the room that it is placed in, provides highly efficient air purifying performance and rich user experience. The front grille has an anti-UV coating with stable and long-lasting colors. It's available in 2 color options, champagne gold and classic white. On the top of the device, you have the touch control panel, which provides one-click touch control and enables you to control the device. Just behind the touch control panel is the air outlet. The overall design has a water ripple effect. It potentially enables wider area coverage by throwing the air out from the top. The whole body is a simple and integrated design. The side intakes are made with cutout metal process. They look both durable and beautiful. On the back side, you have a handle. Provides you anti-slip grip so you can lift the air purifier and move it around in the room. There is an air quality sensor which is typically used for maintenance purposes. And on the base you have the power cord. There's a wedge that's been provided to wrap around the cord when not in use. The Honeywell Air Touch also has a sturdy and tactfully designed base. It prevents it from falling easily. There are 3 filters that are provided as a part of the standard package with every Air Touch air purifier box. The first filter is a pre-filter. It primarily captures large dust particles, animal dander and hair particles. It is washable and is an important component of the air purifier filtration technology. 1, it improves the life of the HEPA and the HiSiv filters, and 2, it makes sure that your air purifier does not get clogged easily. The second filter is the HEPA filter. HEPA filter captures PM 2.5 and microscopic allergens. The third filter is Honeywell's patented technology HiSiv filter. This filter captures volatile organic compounds, formaldehydes, odor and other toxic gases. To insert the filters, remove the tape that's on both the sides, gently press the recess on the side and pull the compartment door towards your direction. You will need to insert the filters as per the number tags. Filter number 1 should be inserted gently. Filter number 2 has got 2 red tabs. These should be pointing outwards from where you're standing. Again, inserted gently. Filter number 3 again have 2 red tabs and they have to be pointing outwards from where you're standing. And when you eventually slide it, you will notice that both the tabs are aligned. So that's how easy it is to install the filters. Now close the filter compartment door and plug in the device. When you switch on the air purifier, the LED light indicator shows amber color. It is calibrating at this point in time the air quality inside the room. It will turn into red if the air quality inside the room is bad. Alternately, it will turn blue if the air quality inside the room is good. The touch control panel has 3 operating modes: auto fan speed, manual fan speed and night mode fan speed. When you power on the device and press the auto icon, the device will automatically calibrate the air quality inside the room and decide the optimum fan speed. Instead of auto, if you decide to turn it on manually, you can increase or decrease the fan speed by moving your fingers on the toggle keys here. Alternately, in the night, when you want the air purifier to operate at its lowest fan speed so that it produces very little sound and even these lights to be completely switched off, you can press the sleep mode. These are the filter alert indicators on the touch control panel, filter number 1, 2 and 3. When display number 1 lights up, you need to switch off the air purifier, remove the pre-filter, wash it with water or mild detergent, dry it and reinsert it. When indicators 2 or 3 light up, it means you need to replace filters 2 or filter 3. Now remember, filter number 2 and filter number 3 are not washable. Again, switch off the air purifier and replace these filters. After washing and reinserting filter number 1, or even after replacing filter number 2 or filter number 3, you need to press the reset button for 3 seconds. After the reset, the filter display indicators will stop glowing. In the rare event that it lights up, the device is actually notifying you of an electric or sensor failure. In this case, you will need to contact our customer care as the device needs to go through warranty support. The Honeywell Air Touch is a smart auto-sensing device. During operation, if the filter compartment door is forced open, the device switches off automatically. Similarly, again during operation, if the device falls accidentally, it will switch off. In the rare event that the air quality sensor color does not change for an abnormally long period of time, you will need to clean the air quality sensor with a cotton swab. Before performing any form of maintenance, make sure to switch off the air purifier. That's all folks for today. We hope this video was helpful. In case if you have any questions, we would love to hear from you. Feel free to call our customer care or visit our website. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. If you have already purchased the product online, don't forget to drop us a 5-star review and recommend Honeywell Air Touch to your family and friends. Thank you. Appreciate your time.